Hey, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? This is Billy Joseph, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, coming to you here from Jacksonville, Florida. How you doing? I hope you're doing okay in your part of the world. Just to remind you guys, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also to your very right there, click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I put out. And as a reminder to you about this channel is about building your business, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, network marketing, tools, resources, tips, tricks to help you grow your business online, offline, in any way you want to, and also being able to inspire you at the same time. So I entitled this video 3 actions to focus on every single day for success. 3 actions to focus on every single day for success. So before I get started, I want to give you an acronym, and this is going to kind of correlate on what I'll be talking about today. And it is this: BES. And that acronym it encompasses what I'll be talking about today on 3 things that you need to focus on every day for success in your business. So here is number 1, B. B stands for build an audience. And when I say build an audience, I mean build people that want to see your content, that want to see maybe your videos, that want to interact with you on whatever you put out there. For example, there's different ways that you can build your audience. You can use social media to build your audience, like here on YouTube, like I'm doing. You can put out videos to build your audience. You can use Facebook to build your audience. You can use your own personal profile, or you can even use a fan page on Facebook to build your audience. You can use what's called an email list to build your audience. You can use Twitter. You can use Instagram. You can use Snapchat. Anything that you can do to build your audience, do it. Now, I'm going to give you a word of caution that you don't have to use Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat all at the same time to build your audience. I wouldn't recommend that to build your audience. I would recommend building one audience. And I would say maybe one audience at a time. So if you're building an audience, say here on YouTube, don't try to build your audience on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and all the other platforms at the same time. Choose one audience, get really good at that. And that's the first tool. So every day, you need to be posting something to that audience to grow that audience. Again, whether you Facebook, Instagram, or here on YouTube. The second thing is that you want to engage that audience that you're building. So you want to be interacting with that audience on a daily, regular basis. Someone makes a comment on your YouTube video. You want to interact with that person. You want to respond back. You want to be engaging. Someone makes a comment on one of your posts on Facebook. You want to be engaging. You want to be interacting with those that do respond to you. And the third thing is S, sell to that audience. That's it. Sell to that audience. So if you have maybe a product that you want to recommend, once you build your audience, once you engage your audience, do that. Or if you have a course, or if you're an affiliate marketer, if you have a affiliate marketing product that you want to recommend to that audience, then sell to that audience. Now, here's the thing: you want to build an audience. You want to engage the audience, and you want to sell to the audience. Because guess what? Once you engage that audience, that actually builds the know, like, and trust factor. Because guess what? People will buy from people they know, they not like, and they trust. Now, I want to give you another word of caution. If you're just starting on, say, Facebook, do not automatically go to the S portion of selling to that audience up front. Follow these 3 steps, but make sure you're building it, engaging, and then selling. And do that on a daily basis. So remember that acronym, short acronym BES, build an audience, engage an audience, and sell to that audience. All right, guys, that is a quick tip for today. 3 things that you can do every day to build your business. If you're in network marketing, if you're in affiliate marketing, if you're in direct sales, 3 things, simple things you can do every day. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Peace.